country has developed so far, come so far in these years. We have also seen many of our achievements in President's speech yesterday. President highlighted our country's contribution in innovation, in women empowerment, in the use of
Chief. Being today being a Republic Day, few more things I will just append to what Sir has already said. Today is a day when we talk about our Constitution being formed, talk about what rights we have, what responsibilities we have. And rights and responsibilities, though given to us by our Constitution, by our government, the rights also come with responsibilities, right? You as engineers, you as residents of these halls, you have many rights. You have a right to live in nice conditions, you have the right to have nice foods, facilities, and to get yourself educated, get your degrees to the best possible way, whatever facilities are available to the best.
Speech in front of you on this auspicious 77th Republic Day. So this day is remembered on behalf of our Constitution when it was forced to our country, or it was implemented in our country by freedom fighters and as well as a lot of people who directly and indirectly supported the freedom fighters. So Constitution teaches us unity in diversity, liberty and sovereignty of our country. So Constitution is the basis of our
आप इंडिया की बात करते हैं, हम भारत के लोग की बात करते हैं, यही इस लोकतंत्र को बचा ले। चाहे वो सन 1975 का आपातकाल हो या फिर देश में जब भी बाहरी खतरे महसूस हुए हैं, इसी